Oh, it's recording now.
Uh-huh.
No, I see what's going on. Doesn't have the, there we go.
I'll do it.
Okay, well. Hi.
He's not going to let me have the camera off, ever.
The biggest snowstorm in 2011.
Can I have the camera?
Yeah, just hang on. I just
I'm
want to.
capable.
All right, okay. Oh, wow, you did that?
Yes, I'm not doing any more.
I know, that's hard. Here,
All right, so how do I just shut it off when I'm done?
just shut this thing.
Oh, all right, that's cool. Okay, here we go. There's our neighbor Kevin.
Bye.
We've got this little dinky snowblower.
Oh, here you go.
And Kevin's got this kick-ass tractor, and we're hoping he's going to do our driveway just like he did Dorothy's. He's always so good.
Look at how deep it is here.
I know.
It's 2.5 feet.
And Kaylin, of course, is working on coming out helping us.
Look at that.
He had to shower first. But Kevin's got the big bad boy of the street. He's a great neighbor. He once mowed our grass for us when our tractor was broke, and like Mary Jane was in the hospital, and we were going back and forth for her. It was just a really bad week or something. I don't exactly remember what our problem was, but he mowed our grass. And we brought him a fruit basket, so we're going to have to do something very nice for him today because this is overwhelming. I vacuumed. I shoveled the front walk here, and that's about all I'm going to do because it's really wet and heavy. The back door I couldn't open because there was snow halfway up the door.
Time if we don't get it moved. It's supposed to get really cold tonight.
Oh, really?
40 below wind chill.
Oh.
10 to 12 below regular temperature.
I don't know if you could hear Kevin. We love you, man! I don't know if you could hear Kevin, but he said the temperatures tonight are going to plummet into like 10 below. But, you know, with the wind chill, it would be about 40 below. I need to just like put my glove on, so hang on a second. I would turn it off and start over, but I don't know how. There we go. So, Greg has our little baby snowblower. Kevin's got this gorgeous tractor. Glenn the gearhead lives over here. He's got all kinds of cool stuff in his garage too, but I haven't seen him out yet today. He's not all that friendly. He helped us once though when we flooded, so I mean that was cool, but they pretty much like to keep to themselves. That's fine. So do I. So I hope this video makes it to sunny Phoenix for all of my darling Miss Fossum's classroom kids. I will go through the, let's see, how should I do this? I'd like to show you the back door. That poor snowblower. It's always on its last leg. Every winter we're just so grateful that it keeps going. Yeah, look at this bad boy tractor, man. This thing's awesome. You're our hero! Look at that. Woohoo! Go, Kevin, go! So Greg is going to do the walkway. This is incredible. This storm started yesterday afternoon and the snow stopped about 11 o'clock this morning maybe. All of Lakeshore Drive in Chicago was shut down. There's a few counties that are completely shut down, and you know, life just stops for a while when it gets like this. Thankfully, this is not really normal. I think this is more normal for like Minnesota, Michigan, northern Wisconsin. But we typically don't get this much snow in one fall. They're saying the last time we had a snowfall like this was 1999. I really don't remember it, so it must not have been too bad for me. It is a winter wonderland, though. Very beautiful out here. It's a character builder, that's for sure. The sun is shining now. Oh, there's the... Oops, I better move. It's coming this way. All right, I'm gonna go and see if I can't show you the back. I'm going through the garage. There we go. Going through the garage. Okay, here's our house. And I hope the camera's not steamed up. Home sweet home, Maggie. I mean, Miss Fossum. All right, I'm opening up the back door here, which I don't know why it won't open. There we go. This is like when Dorothy opened up the door when she got to the, when the house landed in Oz. Here we go. See, I can't get the door any more open than this because I don't know if you can tell, all this snow is keeping it shut. So let me kind of scooch out. Whoop. Wow. Here's the backyard. And the snow is up to my thighs in front of the door. It drifted really bad. There's a bunch of drifts. Miss Fossum will be able to tell how deep it is by what she can't see. There's my favorite tree. I climbed it last fall finally. Not too high up though, I got chicken. And well, I guess that's it. This is the snowstorm of February 1st and 2nd, 2011. Have a wonderful, warm and sunny day in Phoenix, Arizona. Love you guys.